Hello, welcome to my Firebase Python program. On this um, time, we're going to talk about Firebase. We have created a program, a Python program, just to interact with Firebase. We're going to test um, this code. So this code is able to show this information which is already stored on Firebase console. Right here we have two helipads information for Brickmill and Rosenheim, and this is console Firebase from Google. And we just need to come back here. On this code we have import Firebase admin, which was already installed on the terminal using pip3 install Firebase. After that, we are able to import this file, this module, and import these modules to credentials and DB. And after we have created our service account, we're going to download a JSON file, which is a file that will have our key just to connect our program to the database. And after that, we're going to use Firebase add module and the method initialize app. We're going to pass the key and the URL for our database. After that, we're going to have a reference of this PY, and after that we're going to create a helipads child for this reference. So we have created 4 different functions that will perform CRUD operations. The first one is create helipad, second one read helipad, update helipad, and delete helipad. The last function is just to start our application, and we're going to run this program just to see how it works. Create helipad, so just run it. Here we have just call again this thing, clear up, and then we have here, we're going to read the information we have already here in the console. So we have 2 helipads. So now we're going to create a new one, which is called Gießen helipad, and then we're going to put the coordinates on this weight. So it's 0503500 north, and then 0840 minutes 00 seconds east, and then elevation on feet is 522 feet. And then we're going to read this, and now voila, we have Gießen helipad right here. We just go here to our real-time database, and we're going to find that Gießen helipad is right here with the information about his elevation, about location, and his name. So let's get back to here, and now we're going to update Gießen. So we're going to pass all the name of the helipads. This case is helipad. Now we're going to, the name is the same, it's Gießen, coordinates are the same, so just put the same, 3500 north, 0840. In this case we're going to change this for 5 just to update the different information, and then we're going to put equal east, and keep in mind Gießen previously has this location. Now we're going to update with 45 minutes, so just enter. In elevation, the same 5 to 2 feet, and then voila, you will see Gießen helipad now has an update location 08 degrees 45 minutes 00 east. So now we're going to delete Gießen helipad. So now let's read it, and Gießen helipad is not here anymore. So that's it. That is how it works. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.